Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you constantly frustrated with kinks and bends in your hoses? Then you've got to check out the stainless steel hose that I got from Beitopamz. I will never use a rubber hose again if I can help it. Having the stainless steel hose is a total game changer. It's made with a unique telescoping design. So, actually, when there's no water pressure in it, you can see that it moves up and down. One of the other things that makes this hose a must have is how lightweight it is. No more struggling with those heavy, cumbersome rubber hoses. You are going to find that this is so much easier to handle and carry around. This also comes with an amazing nozzle with a wide variety of different sprays on it. These are rust resistant and built to last. Do yourself a favor and throw out all your other hoses. Get yourself a stainless steel one from Baytop Ams. You are going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.